The simplest route to success on social media is posting every day, and yet that seems to be the thing that in the hundreds of conversations I've had with people about their social media journeys, they cannot seem to do. And it's because, in my opinion, they get stuck on quality. Oh, the video's not good, the lighting's not good, the background, I said something silly, I tripped over my words.
This video makes so much sense, and this has been one of my problems with being consistent in creating content. If you notice, the background's a little bit different. I had created a flex space in my basement to be able to record videos. I had the lighting, had the RGB going, and didn't record consistently. It had nothing to do with the equipment that I had. I had fancy DSLRs, Sony cameras, 4K this, 5K that, but it was because I didn't make the action to be consistent. I didn't feel like I was good enough to actually do the content creation. I had to decide that I was good enough to do content creation and that someone, at least one person, is going to listen to me. If I can get one person to listen to me, it'll be all worth it. Just one person.
It doesn't matter. Get out of your own way. Not every video is going to be a banger. Contrarily, there are going to be videos that you think will flop that actually do extremely well. I have a 16-second video of me saying, I like Leo Skepi, and that video has almost 10 million views. It's in my top 10 most viewed videos ever in 2 weeks. And it took me 16 seconds for 8 million people to see my face. What else can you do to get that kind of ROI in marketing for your brand? Nothing.
He says it again, it doesn't matter. If you don't put video out there, you're not going to reach anyone. If you're not going to reach anyone, you're not going to let other people know about you. If you don't let other people know about you, you're never going to grow into that entity that you want to actually be. So if you don't actually just do it, you're not going to get to the place that you want to. There's no way to skip over this. I had to realize that. There's no way to skip from A to Z. I have to go through the sludge just to get there. And I got to be able to make myself look stupid, make myself feel ridiculous, and feel like everyone's laughing at me. But guess what? I don't care.
And you have to stop getting tripped up on this whole, the video's not good enough, the video's not long enough, the video's too short. It doesn't matter. You just need to post every single day. You will have banger videos, you will have quality videos, you will have value-driven videos. But sometimes it's just about putting out. So if you cannot post every day for the next 6 months, 1 to 3 times a day, you will not be successful in this game. It's really that simple.
Exactly what he said. Don't waste another day. Just do it. Pull out the phone. I'm not even using my fancy equipment. I'm using a phone. Yeah, I got the lighting going in the back, but I'm using a phone. I just pulled my phone out and I'm using a phone. Create the content. Just do it.